things have to be right to succeed in a business like farming. It takes the right soil, the right field preparation, the right seed, planting, weather, management, and luck. And finally, a crop is ready for harvest. And for this important job, it takes the right combine to match your needs. Like a Gleaner Combine, from the longest line of combines there is. Better designed, with the right size combine and harvesting process to match your needs like no other line can. And now Gleaner Combines are even more productive when matched with the new Series 3 headers. Here's the Series 3 Integral Flex header, available for all Gleaner Combines in widths from 13 to 24 feet. A perfect match to Gleaner Combine capacity. And there's the Series 3 Rigid header, in widths from 15 to 30 feet for all N-Series Rotary Gleaner Combines. These new Series 3 headers offer aggressive feeding action with built-in reliability. The auger features larger fingers, a full 3/4 inches in diameter, with longer reach for positive feeding and better crop control. On all Series 3 headers, the auger is chain-driven, with a friction disc slip clutch as standard equipment. This means less wear and added protection. All Series 3 headers feature a 3-piece pan bottom with replaceable center section for ease of service and maintenance. There's also a cutter bar tilt adjust to match the cutting angle to different tire sizes and ground terrain. This means you can now adjust the overall angle or tilt, providing more flexibility and adaptability to varying crops and field conditions. Series 3 flex headers provide a full 5 inches of float in the integral cutter bar to skim ground contours closer than ever before and bring in more of the crop. There's also a 3-position header height control, adjustable from the cab for varying soil and crop conditions. And dual header height control sensors are standard on 20-foot and wider headers for more accurate sensing. Plus, there's easy adjustment of the reel on the reel support arms. Long floating dividers provide a smooth feeding of crop, and a new inline wobble box drive virtually eliminates vibration and reduces shatter loss at the sickle. The new Series 3 headers have been designed for maximum productivity and harvesting efficiency. Extensive tests in our engineering labs and in the field assure long life and the kind of performance and reliability that goes into the Gleaner Combine name. Corn heads are available in 2 to 12 rows to match the harvesting capacity of all Gleaner Combines. The low-profile design allows you to get under down and tangled crops. Hairpinning is minimized. Whipping of down stalks is reduced, and more ears are saved. The rear of the snapping roll area is almost 2 inches wider than the front for smooth, no bottleneck feeding. And to keep things flowing smoothly, long gathering chain lugs are used. Behind these better designed headers is the Gleaner Combine line, including field-proven N-Series Rotary Gleaner Combines. Now designated the Series 3. There's the N5, with a 200 bushel bin capacity and 190 horsepower diesel engine. The N6, with 245 bushel capacity and 220 horsepower. And the pace-setting N7, with 315 bushel bin capacity and 270 horsepower diesel engine. N-Series Rotary Gleaner Combines from Alice Chalmers, with their natural flow system to do what no other rotary combine can do. In the beginning, no one got the theory of rotary combines straight, Everyone placed their cylinder at an opposing angle to the crop flow and it got twisted and tangled. Then Rotary Gleaner Combines set things straight with a transversely mounted cylinder that lets the crop flow naturally. And this natural flow system gives you high-capacity harvesting with less grain damage. N-Series Rotary Gleaner Combines. Once you understand how they're different, you'll know why they're better. The natural flow system with transverse-mounted cylinder. The difference that sets Rotary Gleaner Combines apart from all others. With the natural flow system, the crop is conveyed directly from the header to the cylinder in a straight natural line. And just the way the crop comes from the header is the way it is fed into the transverse-mounted cylinder. The shape of the crop mass never changes, so there's no turning, twisting, or tangling to limit maximum harvesting efficiency. Competitive rotaries must take the crop from a rectangular shape and change it into a spiral configuration. There's a good chance for twisting, turning, and tangling of the crop. And while competitive rotaries have open grates for separation on only the bottom half of the cylinder circumference within a 180-degree area, Rotary Gleaner Combines offer up to a full 360 degrees of threshing and separating area with a transverse-mounted cylinder. Total threshing and separating can be accomplished in less turns than required by the competition, therefore reducing the chances for grain damage. Rotary Gleaner Combines also feature other exclusive differences, like the accelerator rolls and two-stage cleaning system. The patented accelerator rolls accelerate the chaff and grain 4 times faster than normal free fall through a high-velocity air blast in the first stage of cleaning. The chaff, being lighter, is caught in the air blast and sent out the rear of the combine. The force of the accelerated grain is not affected by gravity and is evenly distributed in a thin band across the entire width of the cleaning shoe by the accelerator rolls. The result is optimum cleaning efficiency even in side hill conditions. The second stage of cleaning occurs with another blast of air at the cleaning shoe. The final result? Cleaner bin samples. And results have made believers out of these men.
Yes, 360 degrees threshing just stands to reason that you'd have more separating area. You get the stuff in and out a lot faster. That's what you want to do. The thing we like about the N7 more than anything is the huge capacity it has. It can combine as much as 2 machines of most other makes.
And one thing I like about them is you don't get a bit of crack on your grain. But I don't think there's no competitive combine that'll stay with it for all around, saving the grain and also doing the job of cutting. Real hilly condition there, and with these rotary machines, we just don't throw any over.
I think the N7 Gleaner is the best combine in the world. And I've watched other combines and been in the fields with other combines, and I've never seen one that would keep it as clean off of the ground, at going that it would speed it would thrash, and I've never seen one that would put it through the cylinder as quiet without bunching it when it come out.
It also has the advantage that you accelerate the grain 4 times the speed of free fall, and you can hit it for a greater blast of air for pre-cleaning without blowing the grain out the back end. I've liked the center cab design for visibility. I've liked the controls for operation. I've liked the low profile for hauling. I've liked the capacity of the Gleaner Combine. I've liked the reliability and the serviceability of them. And I don't know what combine I would go to if I didn't get a Gleaner. I feel Gleaner's superior. I guess that's the reason I run them.
N-Series Rotary Gleaner Combines with exclusive natural flow, 360-degree transverse-mounted cylinder, the accelerator rolls and 2-stage high-velocity cleaning, and other features that are part of the Gleaner Combine tradition, like concave door stone protection that automatically ejects rocks and other foreign objects before they can enter the cylinder, and centerline design for maximum traction, stability, and flotation, and ease of service and maintenance with a full access engine compartment, flip-up side panels, and straight-through drives. When a rotary combine is right for you and your operation, consider Rotary Gleaner Combines, including Corn Plus models, specially equipped for corn harvesting. A special edible bean package is also available as a field-installed option. Or consider the conventional line of Gleaner Combines, the L2 with 200 bushel bin capacity and 145 or optional 158 horsepower diesel engine. The M2 with a 180 bushel bin and 130 horsepower engine. The MH2 Hillside Gleaner Combine for the steep slopes of the Great Northwest with a 115 bushel bin and 130 or optional 158 horsepower engine. Or the F2 with a 120 bushel bin with extensions and a 95 horsepower diesel engine. For greater operator convenience and efficiency, the F2 now features electro-hydraulic controls, a standard 5-speed transmission or an optional 4-speed with hydro, and factory or field-installed rear wheel assist. The conventional Gleaner Combines with their proven sure-feed system with down-front cylinder, the L2, M2, and MH2 with 2-stage threshing, 3-stage separation, and 2-stage cleaning, and the F2 with 2-stage separation and 2-stage cleaning. The exclusive sure-feed system with down-front cylinder features retractable fingers on the header auger and feeder beater that comb and feed the crop directly into the cylinder. The crop travels only 15.5 inches from the back of the header to the down-front cylinder and is under full control to within 1 inch of the cylinder at all times. In 2-stage threshing, a pair of channel concaves at the front do most of the threshing in the first stage. Then, in the second stage, a 7-bar open section finishes the job. The first stage of separation occurs at the open section of the concave. The second stage of separation begins as crop leaves the cylinder. In the third stage of separation, material enters the rear separator and rotary straw walkers complete the job. The Gleaner Combine 2-stage cleaning system with transverse flow fan is an exclusive finishing touch. In the first stage of cleaning, the upper fan outlet directs a heavy air blast through the crop as it comes off the separator rattle and grain pan. This blast of air pre-cleans a majority of the grain before it reaches the cleaning shoe, thus reducing shoe load. During the second stage of cleaning, the lower fan outlet directs a controlled volume of air to the end shaker type shoe. All Gleaner Combines feature centerline design. All major components are centered along a line from front to rear and side to side, resulting in balanced weight distribution and a low center of gravity for maximum traction, flotation, and stability. To minimize downtime and costly repairs, all Gleaner Combines feature the exclusive safety concave door, which automatically ejects rocks and other foreign objects before they can enter the cylinder and concave area. Ease of service and maintenance is also designed into all Gleaner Combines. All sprockets and chains are easy to get at. The engine and fuel tank are located high up and out of the dust zone. And here's what Gleaner owners are saying.
I think today the L2 is, in my opinion, is an outstanding machine. I'd put it up against any of them. On the sure feed and the cylinder down front, for one thing, as soon as your crop is cut, you have your auger, it brings it right in and it's out of the way. You know, it's fast. You're not dragging them down through a bunch of, for another 2 to 3 foot. Everything's happening right there. And I say the L meets my needs as a farmer.
So I've had L2s for some past probably 5 years, and the L2 is just it just stays together and just hangs in there, and you don't have a whole lot of downtime, and it's very dependable. Has good capacity with the cylinder down front, and it's just reliable throughout.
I feel that me with acreage now that I need one unit, and to combine it with a unit that's easy accessibility from change from corn to soybeans. I'm sold on the idea of the rock door. That is a very good feature for my situations, which I have quite a few rocks around here. The accessibility of maintenance to work on it is very good. It is a very balanced machine for the size of the machine, and with the machines that I've been around, I just can't say enough for this M2.
The cab has had a lot of thought go into the design of the cab. It's a quiet cab. I think one of the quietest on the market. The controls, for myself, I like to look at a control panel and say, hey, that's got some organization to it. You don't have to be reaching down to your left or up somewhere along the top of the cab to find your controls.
So I like the F2 Combine. We're in a situation down here where our field isn't real big and we've got bridges to contend with. And I like the F2 on that account. It's plenty big enough for 700-800 acre operation, and it just fits my program real nice.
To keep you in full control, all Gleaner Combines have one of the most sophisticated and comfortable cabs available, featuring the exclusive Tattletale electronic monitoring system that monitors every critical combine function with solid-state accuracy. Within easy reach on the right-hand console are the electro-hydraulic push-button controls. To keep you moving, Gleaner Combines have the right kind of traction options, like rear wheel assist and tracks on select models for muddy conditions. There's also an adjustable rear axle for various planting widths or ground terrain. And behind every Gleaner Combine stands an Alice Chalmers dealer. He has the parts and service you need, plus the financing and leasing programs that are right for you. Gleaner Combines from Alice Chalmers, offering you both rotary and conventional combines that are better designed to offer you the right size and harvesting process to match your needs. Crop after crop, field after field, year after year. There's only one line that's better by design, the silver line of Gleaner Combines.